If you want to add or change keyboard language on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down, and we want to go to System. Once you open System Settings, we should be able to go to Keyboard, then go to On-Screen Keyboard, and choose Gboard because this is the keyboard that we use on this phone by default. Now over here at the top, we can go to Languages. And if you want to add a new language or if you want to change it, you just have to tap on Add Keyboard. Then you will find the list of all of these different languages that you can add on your phone. So let's say, as an example, I'm just gonna add German. There we go. You should be able to also choose a layout that you want to use. We can also toggle multilingual typing if you want to, for example, include multiple languages on your keyboard. And then we can tap on Done. Now, in case you don't need that old language that you had, then you can tap on Edit in the upper right corner, select the old language that you no longer need, and tap on Remove here in the upper right corner. You can also change the layout of these languages, so if you add multiple languages, you can reorganize them, and there we go. It's up to you if you want to use multiple languages or not. Now, in case you decide to use multiple languages, then of course you can switch between them while using the keyboard. And what you can do is, as you can see here, we have this globe highlighted, which we can use to switch to another language. Usually the language is displayed on the spacebar, so you can always see which language is being used, but you can also press and hold your finger on the spacebar in order to switch to a different language. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.